Exercise 11.3, question number 1. A bag of 25 marbles is shared between Rahul and Kiran in the ratio 2:3. First question, how many marbles does Kiran receive? Second, how many marbles does Rahul receive? So here we are going to see 25 marbles here, so which is divided into 5 parts, that is 2:3. So 2 parts for Kiran and 3 parts for Rahul here. 25 marbles, 5 parts. So that is Rahul 2 parts and Kiran 3 parts. Here Kiran will get 3 parts. So here 5 parts you are going to see. So 25 marbles, 5 parts, then 3 parts. How many marbles you are going to see? So that will be 25 into 3 by 5. So that will be 15 marbles. Second, how many marbles does Rahul receive? So 25 marbles, it divides into 5 parts, then 2 parts. How many marbles? That means 25 into 2 by 5. So that will be 10 marbles. So for Kiran 15 marbles, for Rahul 10 marbles are shared. Question number 2. A point X on AB is equal to 14 centimeters, divides it in the ratio 3:4. Find the length of AX and XB. So first we are going to see AX here. So now we are going to see the total number of ratio, that is 3:4, that is equal to 7 here. The ratio total is 7 and AX divides 3 times, and now total length is 14. So from 14, how much the length of AX will be? So that will be 14 into 3 by 7. So that will be 6 centimeters. So AX is equal to 6 centimeters. So now XB, when you are going to take, so 7 is the total part which divides into 4 parts. So out of 14 centimeters, how much is the length? So that will be 14 into 4 by 7. So that will be 8 centimeters. So XB will be 8 centimeters. AX is 6 centimeters. Question number 3. Geetha and Laxmi won rupees 1050 in a game. They agreed to share the amount in the ratio 3:4. How much does each person receive? So Geetha, when you are going to see, the total number of ratio is 7, which divides Geetha part 3 parts. Now out of 1050, how much amount will be received to Geetha? So that will be 1050 into 3 by 7. So here 7 divides into 150 and 150 into 3, that will be 450 rupees. Same Lakshmi, 7 parts are there. Out of 7, 4 parts is for Lakshmi. So from 1050, how much is the amount? So that will be 1050 into 4 by 7. So that will be, here 7 divides 150 times 150 into 4. So that will be 600 rupees. So Geetha got 450, Lakshmi got 600 rupees. Question number 4. Divide rupees 3600 between Satya and Vishnu in the ratio 3:5. So first we are going to see Satya. So total number of parts are 8. So in this 8, 3 parts are for Satya. So out of 8, 3 parts are for Satya. Out of 3600, how many rupees are for Satya? So that will be 3600 into 3 by 8. So here 8 divides 450 times, and 450 into 3, so that will be 1350 rupees. Now coming to Vishnu, out of 8 parts, 5 parts are for Vishnu. Out of 3600, how many rupees? So here 3600 into 5 by 8. So 8 divides 450 times, and 450 into 5, so that will be 2250 rupees. This is for Vishnu. So for Satya 1350 and Vishnu 2250 rupees. Question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. If the sum of the numbers is 132, find the two numbers. So let numbers be A and B. Let the two numbers are A and B. So for A we are going to find out the number A. So total number of parts are 11. So out of 11 parts, A ratio is 5 parts. So out of 11, 5 parts belongs to number A. Out of 132, sum, what is the number? So here 132 into 5 by 11. So here 11 divides here 12 times, 12 into 5, that is 60 here. Next B number. So total number is 11 parts. Out of 11 parts, 6 parts belongs to B. So out of 132, what is the number? So 132 into 6 by 11. So 11 divides here 12 times, 12 into 6, that is 72. So the first number is 60, the second number is 72. So when you are going to sum this, you are going to get 132 here. Question number 6. Estimate the ratio in which x divides AB and check whether your estimation by measuring it. So x, here it divides AB into 2 equal parts. So if you are going to see like AX is equal to XB, then we can say that AX and XB are in the ratio 1:1 here. So if you are going to measure with scale here, suppose, so here for rough estimation, when you are going to see measuring the length by scale, so you take a scale and measure the length of AB, and in that AX and XB also we have to measure. Suppose when you are going to keep scale here, so the AB will be 10 centimeter and X will be at 5 centimeter here. So here we can say that AX is 5 centimeter and XB is 5 centimeter. So that is 5:5. When it is, then simplest form will be 1:1. So when it is 1:1, we can say that the X point divides AB into two equal parts here. Question number 7. The income and savings of an employee are in the ratio 11:2. If his expenditure is rupees 5346, then find his income and savings. So we know that income is equal to expenditure plus savings. So income is in the ratio of 11 and expenditure and savings are in ratio 2. So expenditure will be 11 minus 2, that will be 9 parts here. The given data, expenditure 9 parts is equal to 5346 and total income 11 parts, how much? So income is equal to 11 into 5346 by 9. So here 9 divides 594, and when you are going to multiply, we get 6534. This is the income. Coming to savings here, total income is 11 parts, which is 6534, and out of this 2 parts are savings. Then how many rupees? That will be 2 into 6534 divided by 11. So here when you are going to multiply and divide, we get 1188 rupees here, and here you are going to get rupees 6534 is the income.